Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this near new 2021 71 reg Toyota Hilux Invincible X. Now this is the 2.8 engine vehicle producing just over 200 brake horsepower. Really nice engine, drives very smooth through that automatic gearbox. The Invincible X comes very well specified from the factory. This one's got some nice extras on it as well. So this one's riding on 18-inch 5 twin spoke gloss black alloy wheels. They're shod in lovely Bridgestone tyres. We've got mud flaps all around, we've got side steps, we've got privacy glass, we've got these rear bars, mountain roller, shutter top. They're very expensive as an option, and that is actually Toyota genuine. We've got rear parking sensors, reversing camera, which is found just in there. Looking through to the rear, the roller shutter top is nice and easy to use. He says when it's unlocked. Just making it look hard, but the rear never been used. Obviously Toyota, you've got the slip resistance floors, all the rear plastics there, and then to close it up it's all just pull of the string. Very nice order throughout. Stepping inside, getting out of this miserable weather. Inside is a full ebony black part perforated leather. So as you can tell, those seats are in fantastic order, still smells new inside. Nice contrasting white stitch. The driver's seat is fully electric. Both front seats are heated as well. Coming through to the rear, I don't think these seats have ever been sat in. So Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. We've got a nice central armrest. You've got little hooks in the back for your baggage. As you can tell, you've still got the original kick plate protectors, all the film on those. Now jumping inside. Fit and finish on these newer Toyotas are just fantastic. So we've got a leather multifunction steering wheel. You can control most things off of there. You've got your lane deviation assist, all your volume media, voice command, Bluetooth phone. You've got automatic lights on this one as well. Park folding mirrors, 4 electric automatic windows with the child lock for the rear. Push button start. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. As we're doing the video, like I said at the beginning, near new, it's only covered 2,766 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through to the center display, you get this nice big screen on these ones. So pressing through, we've got our full satellite navigation, which is nice and easy to use. We've got our full audio, so it's a full DAB radio with all the extended channels. Obviously we've got our Bluetooth phone there as well. Clicking through to media, you've got your audio settings, so adjust the bass, the treble, and the sound system is absolutely mega. So we've got a full JLB surround sound system, which is fantastic. We've got our applications there as well. Climate control with air conditioning, and we've got heated front screen, rear screen, and mirrors. So just press that button in the morning and you're defrosting. Heated front seats, as I mentioned before. USB, 2 12-volt power outlets for phone charging. The automatic box is really nice and smooth, very nice and easy to use. You've got the sport mode on there, you've got eco modes, power modes, which is your sport mode, I suppose. Central armrest. Within there you'll find your Wi-Fi hotspot, and this one also comes with a European style plug as well. But a very nice pickup. I've had the chance to drive a couple of these. They do drive absolutely fantastic. Obviously with that bigger engine, bigger brake horsepower, they're absolutely fantastic for towing or just driving around. The nice power delivery, specifications fantastic, so you just feel like you're in an SUV. If you'd like any further information on this vehicle, you can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down and we'll happily book you in. But thank you for watching the video and we look forward to your inquiry.